Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadget once again. Today, I'll be taking you through steps on how to meter your connection. If you are connected to a Wi-Fi or you are sharing hotspot connection with your laptop in order not to exhaust your data within seconds. This is applicable to Windows 8 and above. Since the upgrade of Windows 7, most people have had issues with data consumptions within seconds, consuming over 10 gigs, 20 gig of data within just minutes, which is really outrageous. So I'm doing this video to resolve the issue and show you steps on how to do the meter connection, and I will show you how to uninstall and turn off some live updates on your laptop. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This will notify you each time I upload any new video, which will in turn help you to increase your productivity and manage all your gadgets. Thank you very much. Meter your connection. In order to limit your data usage, you over to this section of your computer, then you click on the internet access. From the looks now, you can see I'm connected to this is the name of the Wi-Fi I'm connected to, and below it it's properties. That's where we are going. When you click on property, it takes you to a new page. Then you carefully look for metered connection. You can see set as metered connection. If you don't set this, your system will automatically update. In one of my videos, I will still talk about advanced meter connection, because recently Microsoft had rolled out some updates that still download updates with even when your meter connection is being turned on. So the default setting is always off, so you have to turn it on. You understand what I'm saying? So that's for that. Make sure anytime, even if you change the passcode to your MiFi, you are going to require to do this. Otherwise the way your data will be exhausted within 30 seconds will be miraculous. So try and inculcate the habit of metering your connection each time you connect to a new Wi-Fi or hotspot. And it's as Windows 10 or Windows 8 pre-installed. Come to the home button, you see some apps. I have actually reduced a lot of them here. That's why mine it's very scanty. There are a lot of apps that comes pre-installed, like they are factory installed on every Windows. You see them, there are very many here. For example, let's go to photo. Right click on it. Okay, no, that's not showing what I need. Oh, I've actually removed everything. So let me try this. Okay, this is a Google Translator. If you know you don't need it, just uninstall it. There is something I'm trying to show you about being live and not. So I think I switched off most of them. Okay. So this thing does is this. It's use your data without It's use your data without your information. Now it says here turn lifestyle off. Turn lifestyle off. What this means is when you connect, this app will not have access to your internet, because there are so many pre-installed app here, like Apple Game Store and some other music stuff. There are some apps that comes with this computer, but the first thing I do when I get a computer is I know this, I make sure I uninstall and turn off the ones that cannot be installed. So just take a look at it now. Okay, more. Can you see now? Turn lifestyle on, which means I just put it off. So for example, now this calculator, would be searching for update. If there's any update on Microsoft website, it's going to automatically update it. Either I metered my connection or not. You understand what I'm saying? So there are so many apps here. Any apps you know you are not using, just uninstall it and make sure you, or if you cannot install it, make sure you turn off the light, turn off the lifestyle. You can see this is already off. That's why it's telling me turn lifestyle on. If I turn it on, it will be using my data unnecessarily. These laptops are created with AI. For example, Cortana is here. Hey Cortana, you can see now she's here. Cortana, what is the current time? Hey Cortana, what is the current time? As I have shown you the step on how to meter your connection. Please make sure you don't forget to meter your connection each time you connect to a new Wi-Fi or you connect to any source of internet connection. Otherwise, you'll be using a lot of extra data. And make sure you don't leave your live ties on. Make sure they are off. The updates, on the update settings on your system, make sure you don't give it access to automatic updates. With these steps, if you follow all these steps, you will see your data. You will not have the problem of data being exhausted within seconds again. And be very careful. If somebody is sharing you his hotspot, make sure the first thing you do is to meter the connection so that you don't exhaust the person's data. Thank you very much for staying tuned. If you have learned one or two things today, kindly leave a thumbs up. If you have anything to add to this video, any form of helpful information, I'll be checking the comment sections. If you want me to shoot any video on any topic, kindly say it in the comment section, and before next week, you have it. Thank you very much. See you same time next week Wednesday, and have a wonderful day.